T7 series tractors from New Holland, the most versatile tractor on the market. They combine uncompromised power, efficiency, and comfort with the most advanced technology. Hello, I'm Nathan Graham, Product Training Specialist with New Holland Agriculture, and I'm excited to talk to you about the newest tractors in the T7 series model lineup, the T7.290 and the T7.315. Let's get started. The T7.290 and 315 have been introduced to fill a gap between the T7 long wheelbase and the Genesis T8 series. The new T7.290 and T7.315 tractors are the perfect fit for farming operations that need the power of a large frame tractor but the versatility of a medium frame tractor. They are ideal for baling hay, pulling feed mixers, running 12 to 16 row planters, hauling manure, and pulling grain carts. After this video walk around, you will be comfortable and know why the T7 series is known for its power, versatility, efficiency, and comfort. Let's talk about the T7.290 and T7.315's positioning in the market. I already mentioned that this new T7 series tractor provides all the power of a large frame tractor with the versatility of a medium-sized tractor, making it an excellent choice for those customers needing a general purpose tractor for performing multiple tasks around the farm. The T7.290 and 315 come in slightly longer than our other T7 models. Benefits include increased traction and a smoother ride. Maneuverability is not compromised. Where does the T7.290 and 315 fall amongst the competition? The T7.290 and 315 can and will directly compete with John Deere's 7.270R, 7.290R, and 7.310R. Additionally, two models in Fence 800 series tractor lineup, the 826 and 828. Now, let's take a look at the styling of this T7.315. The new look of the T7.290 and 315 hood introduces new styling while retaining all the practicality you have come to expect from the T7 series. The hood features you see on this tractor reflect changes made to the entire T7 series product line. You will immediately see a redesigned hood to include increased grill area for optimal flow and styling, the compact cat eye lights that New Holland has become known for with a halogen or LED option, and of course the signature LED lights. You will also see an integrated hood release and handle, new hood side grills for increased airflow around the diesel oxidation catalyst, improved fitment to the cab, and large lower panels in blue to enhance engine component protection. You will also notice a sleek new roof design, sculptured to accept new lighting packages. Now, let's talk about power and efficiency. More specifically, the engine, upgraded components, and the cooling system. The T7.290 and T7.315 used the trusted 6.7-liter NEF engine from Fiat Powertrain Technologies. This same 6.7-liter is used on all T7 series tractors. These engines are Tier 4B compliant using the EcoBlue high ESCR after-treatment system, which, as you know, is New Holland's patented, efficient SCR-only solution. What does EcoBlue high ESCR mean to you? It means New Holland allows the engine to produce power and torque, period. New Holland's high ESCR system efficiently and effectively takes care of emissions downstream from the engine, a true after-treatment system. What you will not see on New Holland high horsepower tractors are hybrid systems utilizing cooled exhaust gas recirculation, diesel particulate filters, along with selective catalytic reduction systems that together add complexity. Some changes to the 6.7-liter engine have been made for this tractor. A single electronic variable geometry turbo is used to increase the maximum power and torque with faster transient response. The electronic variable geometry turbo also allows a flatter torque curve. The electronic variable turbo also plays a large role in the new exhaust braking system, which I will talk about later. The engine oil sump has been redesigned to accept the higher load applications, increasing the structural integrity. Also included in this redesign are the bearings for the new front saddle suspension. The same saddle type suspension comes to us from the Genesis T8 series. Enhanced cylinder head design allows higher fuel rail pressures for better atomization, resulting in combustion that's more efficient. As shown in these torque charts for the T7.290 and T7.315, you'll notice torque curves are flatter, resulting in greater lugging ability. And most notable, peak torque is reached at an impressively low 1400 engine RPM. The cooling package is 25% larger and swings out for easy cleaning and maintenance. Standard is the Vistronic cooling fan, significant for running independent of the engine. Why? Lower parasitic power losses. Fan options also include a reversible fan and a variable pitch fan. The variable pitch fan will also work in concert with the electronic variable geometry turbo in the new exhaust braking system option, which you will learn about next. This T7 tractor will impress with new industry-exclusive features leading to superior exhaust braking. When the exhaust brake pedal is activated, 4 occurrences are set in motion by the engine control unit, or the ECU. 1. Fuel injection is stopped. Number 2. The exhaust flap closes. Number 3. If equipped, the variable pitch fan moves to the maximum open position, providing maximum drag. And lastly, the electronic variable geometry turbo moves to the maximum open position, compressing air at a larger volume. These 4 items result in a maximum braking power equal to 120 horsepower when the engine is running at 2300 RPMs. The result is safer stops and reduced wear on service braking components. Also featured on the T7.290 and T7.315 is low engine idle. This tractor will reduce from 850 to 650 RPMs to reduce fuel usage and component wear. No operations can be in progress for this to occur. It should be noted that this feature can be disabled through the H menu. This T7 series tractor will be available with the innovative auto command transmission in either a 40 or 50 kph option. The auto command transmission enables precise speed control, easy operation, and it helps control your engine speed to optimize fuel efficiency. You can easily set the tractor to the ideal speed in increments of 1/10 of a mile per hour. For the T7.290 and 315, the auto command transmission has been re-engineered to handle and transmit higher power and torque generated from the 6.7-liter engine. It is important to note that the general architecture of the auto command transmission used in the current T7 series long wheelbase models will remain unchanged in the T7.290 and 315. Unlike other CVT transmissions that only use 2 ranges, the auto command features 4 ranges. This means you get more power through the wheels and to the ground. All CVTs use a hydrostatic pump to attain their infinite speeds. Each range has a point that the hydrostatic pump is not used, and 100% of the power is mechanical from the engine. The further you get from this point, the more the hydrostatic pump is used. The more the hydrostatic pump is used, the more power is required to pump the oil. The more power equals more fuel usage. With 4 ranges, New Holland is always closer to a point of 100% mechanical efficiency than competitive transmissions that feature only 2 ranges. Most noteworthy is that New Holland never uses less than 75% mechanical power to move the tractor. The auto command is always driving more power to the ground while still giving you precise speed control and enhanced fuel efficiency. Let's take a look at the power and versatility of the hydraulic system. The T7.290 and T7.315 will offer 2 close center load sensing pump options. Standard will be 43.5 gallons per minute with an optional high capacity of 58 gallons per minute. You will have the ability to order 4 remotes with an option for a 5th remote. Optional ISO Power Beyond ports and low pressure return are also available. Remote valve management with HTS2 also gives us configurable remote valve settings. The T7.290 and T7.315 have an additional hydraulic oil capacity of 39 gallons. I would like to mention an important note that speaks to the engineering that went into this tractor. As opposed to having higher oil levels around the gears, oil capacity was increased at the bottom of the reservoir, resulting in less parasitic power loss. Let's talk about the T7 series PTO systems. hailed as best in class for both front and rear PTO. Let's see why. Higher power transfer with increased clutch plates is the foundation of the rear PTO. This PTO is cab speed shiftable from 540 to 540E and 1000 to 1000E. Also standard is a rear fender-mounted PTO on-off switch for easy shaft installations. A new shaft recognition system ensures you never overspeed implements. The shaft recognition system consists of 3 parts. 1, the external PTO speed actuator, 2, the PTO speed sensor, and 3, the PTO stub shaft. The PTO speed sensor will either detect or not detect a special key located on the PTO stub shaft. The 540 speed shaft does not have a key, while the 1000 PTO speed shaft does. The front PTO can be ordered with either clockwise or counterclockwise rotation. The front PTO comes standard with 1000 or 1000E RPM. It is supplied through a 21 spline shaft and is shiftable from the cab. The T7.290 and T7.315 will have 2 options for the rear drawbar. Both are independent swinging drawbars, which we are accustomed to. Standard will be the Category 3 offset type with clevis. Optional will be the Category 3 heavy duty offset type with clevis. Now, let's talk about the rear linkage. The T7.290 and 315 will offer 4 rear hitch options. The telescoping link ends, which you see here, will be offered in both Category 3 and Category 4. Additionally, open claw ends available with Category 3 or Category 4 will be available. Features of the rear hitch include 2 120mm ram cylinders with a lift capacity of 19,180 pounds. Rear fender mounted momentary switches are available. Sway block stabilizers are standard. Automatic stabilizers are optional. Hydraulic stabilizers are coming. Let's talk about the front linkage. Like the full T7 series line, the T7.290 and 315 will offer both front 3-point hitch and front PTO options. Remember, when the front 3-point hitch is ordered, you must order at least 1 mid-mount valve. Max lift at the ball ends through the full range of movement is 9,217 pounds, roughly 16% more than T7 long wheelbase. As I mentioned a moment ago, 1 mid-mount valve is required for front linkage to raise and lower the arms. So, 3 mid-mount valves will give you 2 front service remotes. Both of these options will require a joystick installed on the Sidewinder 2 armrest for operation. The T7.290 and T7.315 have a new rear axle and shares a common hub with the Genesis T8 and T7 long wheelbase. This is a CNH manufactured 10-bolt axle. Axle capacity has increased over T7 long wheelbase by 4,740 pounds, bringing the T7.290 and 315 rear axle capacity to 25,683 pounds. 4 options are available for ordering: the heavy-duty flange, the 98-inch, 112-inch, or 119-inch bar-type axle. Electronically engaged rear differential lock is standard with this axle. It can also be seen that these new T7.290 and 315 tractors can be fitted with the larger Group 48 and 49 tires for better load disbursement, provided by a larger ground footprint with increased capacity. For the T7.290 and the T7.315, we have a brand new Class 4.75 front axle with saddle suspension that gives you the ability to choose either single or, for the very first time in the T7 series, dual wheel configurations, and also helps truly provide a smooth ride with better tractive power in the field. Let's talk about the front axle capacities. For single front tires, 16,534 pounds is the axle capacity. For dual wheel configurations, 14,330 pounds. And for speeds under 5 miles an hour, the front axle capacity is 24,250 pounds. T7 series tractors are fast becoming the go-to tractor for hauling and transport jobs. Stopping the load is just as important as getting the load moving. Let's look at what sets this T7 apart with efficiency in braking. We already talked about the newly designed exhaust brake. I want to show you the new proportionally applied electronic emergency brake, easily accessible in case of service brake failure, located on the Sidewinder 2 armrest. Also changed is the parking brake that, as we know, is applied if certain criteria are met electronically from the shuttle lever and manually from a hand pump mechanism located where the traditional parking emergency brake was located on the left side of the driver's seat. The parking brake, in case of electrical failure, can be engaged or disengaged by this mechanism. The T7.290 and T7.315 tractors are available with the industry's best braking system, ABS, as an option. New Holland's ABS gives you the ability to brake hard and steer at the same time for unparalleled control and maneuverability while roading. Also, the ability to brake hard on loose surfaces such as gravel or dirt without the risk of skidding. An ABS trailer socket is available. The tractor does not need to have ABS to get this option for trailers with standalone braking systems. ABS Super Steer is an ABS upgrade that enables tighter turning on row ends, providing as much as 50% turning circle reduction. Adjustments are made in the Intelliview color display. Let's talk about comfort and efficiency. The T7 Horizon cab has been designed to fit your needs and your operation perfectly. With outstanding visibility, exceptionally low noise levels, automatic climate control, and premium sound, along with 4 new upgraded seat options with advanced suspension, the Horizon cab will keep you feeling refreshed and alert throughout long working days. The high visibility panel is still available as an option, useful for loader applications. A new one-piece front windshield that is jointless provides improved quality along with improved forward vision. A heated windshield option will remain 3-piece. In the new roof skin is a powered amplifier for the radio antenna. You will see the upgraded backlit HVAC controls with auto climate standard. Also in the Horizon cab are some of the T7.290 and 315's advanced technology options, helping to make your operation more efficient. New Holland is at the forefront of tractor technology with the T7.290 and 315, with features you have known and used such as the award-winning Sidewinder 2 armrest, which reduces fatigue and allows fingertip access to everything you need. Don't forget the Sidewinder 2's design, patented by New Holland, allowing the armrest to glide forward and backward electronically, allowing perfect adjustment to every operator. Located on the Sidewinder 2 armrest is our large color touchscreen Intelliview IV. With the Intelliview IV, you can use one display for monitoring your machine functions as well as run your precision applications such as IntelliSteer auto guidance, as applied mapping and control, and numerous types and brands of implements with automatic section control or variable rate application prescriptions. With one display that does it all, you are able to reduce clutter in the cab, getting better visibility. But if you feel this is too much information for one display, there is an option for having 2 Intelliview IV displays so that you can monitor your machine functions on one display and run your precision applications through another display. Remember, we also have the option of adding PLM Connect so that you can remotely monitor the tractor's location, settings, receive alerts, or wirelessly transfer your field data through the cloud back to your farm office, tablet, or trusted advisor. New Holland is making sure the right technology is being integrated into our machines so that you are not only getting maximum productivity from the tractor, but also giving you technology that will help you get higher yields and better productivity from your baler, planter, or other implement. Now for some of the newest advanced technology New Holland is offering. For the first time, we are introducing new ISO-bus technology with our Intellicruise tractor baler automation. Using our new technology, the baler is now able to control the speed of the tractor to optimize the feed rate as the windrow changes. This means less fatigue for you, the operator, and maximum productivity from your baler. There is also an option for slice control that enables the system to give you the same number of bale slices in every bale. If you want 40 3-inch slices in every bale, the system will automatically make sure every bale is produced with 40 3-inch slices, giving you consistency. If you think about the horsepower of this tractor, its size, new Intellicruise ISOBUS automation, and best-in-class PTO, it really is a perfect match for New Holland big balers. Another new option for the T7.290 and 315 is the tire pressure monitoring system, integrated into the Intelliview IV display. We know that having the right tire pressure can affect a lot of different parameters. Underinflation creates rolling resistance, and overinflation creates slippage and soil compaction. Both lead to a reduction in power and fuel efficiency. Our new tire pressure monitoring system uses wireless valve cap sensors to monitor the tire pressure on the tractor and your implement. If the tire pressure moves out of an acceptable range, you will get a warning on your Intelliview IV display so that you are able to correct the issue and minimize any efficiency losses. A new and improved user-friendly headland turn sequencer, HTS2, is now standard equipment. This will allow operators to store sequences against implement names and give custom triggering points for the next action to be completed. With HTS2 comes remote valve management. This will allow operators to choose which valves can be operated by the command grip quad switch or by the integrated control panel buttons. LED lighting technology is now standard equipment. LED lights provide a whiter light with increased lighting capabilities and decreased power usage. The lifespan of an LED light is significantly increased over a halogen or HID light. 2 levels of lighting are available for this T7 series tractor, 1125 lumens and 1950 lumens. In comparison, the lumen output of the halogens used previously were roughly 800 lumens per light. New Holland offers 4 different lighting packages to meet the needs of any customer. Our base package features 8 LED lights, perfect for doing chore type work. For field work, we offer a 12 light high intensity package and a 16 light 360 degree high intensity package for full all around visibility, giving you a clear vision of the field and your implement when working at night. For maximum in lighting power, this tractor can be fitted with 16 high intensity work lights, additionally 4 LED hood lights, giving you a 20 LED work light package. When introducing the T7.290 and T7.315 to your customers, remember to talk about the time-tested and trusted power of the 6.7-liter NEF engine, with the only electronic variable geometry turbo used in this class of tractor on the market today, enabling faster transient response and a flatter torque curve. The industry-exclusive exhaust braking system, allowing safer stops with less wear on service brake components. The automatic low engine idle feature, further helping the bottom line and component life. The innovative New Holland researched, designed, and developed auto-command transmission with optimized fuel efficiency, easy operation, and precise speed control. The exceptional capacity of the hydraulic system, allowing flows up to 58 gallons per minute. The best-in-class front and rear PTO systems, both in-cab speed shiftable. A rear axle with the ability to accept larger Group 48 and Group 49 tires with agronomic benefits such as a larger footprint for reduced compaction while maintaining traction. The new saddle-type suspended Class 4.75 front axle from the larger Genesis T8 series tractors, allowing for the first time on T7 series dual-wheel configurations. Industry-leading ABS and ABS supersteer for tighter turns, resulting in increased productivity in the field. The 4 new seat options with advanced suspension offered in the Horizon cab, the Comfort, Dynamic Comfort, Auto Comfort, and Blue Power Edition, reducing operator fatigue during long days in the field. Increased lifespan, capability, and brightness with LED lighting technology, standard. And don't forget the advanced technological features New Holland offers with PLM Connect. keeping you connected to your equipment fleets for up-to-the-minute decision-making. New ISOBUS Class 3 technology, allowing seamless integration between the T7 series tractor and the New Holland big baler. The tire pressure monitoring system, an inexpensive way to monitor up to 16 tires. And the new and improved headland turn sequencer 2 with remote valve management. This concludes the T7.290 and 315 walkaround. As we mentioned in the beginning, these new T7 series tractors offer the ultimate in power, efficiency, comfort, and the versatility to do almost any job on the farm. For more information, please visit our website at www.newholland.com or the Mobile Dealer Connect app. I'm Nathan Graham with New Holland. Thank you for watching.